Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to limit discounts 15% off up to 100 in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Capping Discounts from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on Next Discounts app. Then click on Create New Discount. You can enter the discount title here. I am selecting here discount code. You can enter the same code as discount title. Give it a percentage of 15 and enter the capping amount as 100. Then you can select discount applies to all products. You can also enter the discount message which will be shown to the customer when they apply the discount. If you have any minimum purchase requirement like minimum purchase amount, quantity of items or total amount of products in the collection, then you can select that. I have no minimum purchase requirement. Then scroll down. There is an option of customer eligibility. You can select all customers or customer hashtag. Here I am selecting all customers. You can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total. That is 200. And you can also limit to one use per customer. And you can also enter the start date and time as well. And you can set the end date and time. If you want to combine this product discount with product discounts or order discounts or shipping discounts, you can select that. Then save your changes. By the way, if you're liking this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now go to discount section. So here you can see the discount code is now activated. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to catalog. You can add any product to the cart and proceed to checkout. Now we will enter the full address. So here we can see the product is of 200 rupees. 15% of 200 is 30 rupees. Now we will enter the discount code here. You can see discount code has been added. So the total savings is 300 rupees. Now we can see the total saving is 300. Now we can see the total saving is 30 rupees. Now we will enter the product to the cart which will cross the capping amount. Now we will enter the full address. And enter the discount code here. So here you can see 15% off 1250 is 187, but still it is showing 100 rupees only because the capping amount is only 100 rupees. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to limit discounts for 15% off up to 100 in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the like, share, comment and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy selling.